afternoon, ma'am. My name is Praful Bede and I am from collegedunia.com. Very warm welcome to you on our interview series, which is called Thoughts on Education, where we interview various dignitaries such as the owners, directors, trustees, chancellors, and principals of various universities and colleges. Before starting the interview, I would request you to kindly give a brief introduction about yourself and then we can proceed ahead with the interview.
Hello, I'm Dr. Ritu Bhattacharya. I have been in the academic field for the last 30 years and in different positions, started off as lecturer, and for the last 11 years I've been heading institutes in different capacities as principal, directors of management institutes, etc.
So, ma'am, that was really great to hear about yourself. Now, let's go to the first question of this interview series, and that is what keeps you connected with the education sector and how has your experience been so far with the institute?
The biggest drawing point to this sector is the interaction that you can have with young minds, the way you can frame young minds, the way you can mold them into new thoughts and ensure that they do good for themselves and their families and the society.
Being the director of GNVS Institute of Management, what is your philosophy of leadership? How would you describe your leadership style?
I believe in participative leadership. I feel a leader is as good as his team. So the team must work together. The team must have similar goals. The team must think and speak the same language. Only then I think that a leader can move forward, and only then can a leader take the organization forward. If the ideas are varied, the team is not a single mass, then you find that those organizations don't move ahead.
How do you strategize about the key programs and plans for the marketing and administration of your college?
I believe that everything needs to be marketed. If you are not putting what you're doing ahead with the people and people don't know what you're doing, like in GNVS, we're doing a number of things. We are the first AIMS Business Lab accredited school, but very few people know about it. It's simply because that idea has not been marketed, it has not been put forth to the students, it has not been told. So I feel every organization is doing a lot, all schools are doing a lot of things. It is essential that we take it forward and tell the customer, that is the student, and the parents as to what we are doing and why we are doing it and how it will help the students to do well in their life.
How does the curriculum of your college ensure the best practice of industry?
Basically, we follow the Mumbai University curriculum, but we don't stop there because every batch that walks out, there are a number of other students from other colleges, business schools who are stepping out. So what we do is we try and ensure that we give extra skills to the students so that when they walk out, they just don't have their MMS degree. They have a lot more certificate courses. They also have a lot more skills which the industry is looking for. So our corporate program that we have has a lot of things which include simple things from how you should speak to a person, the respect, the etiquettes, the tone. Right from there we start to we give them a lot of life skills on how to survive when there is a lot of competition, how to deal with stress. So we do add all these beyond the certificates and the MMS certificate they get from the university.
What would you like people to know about your institute they may not know?
GNVS unfortunately has not been really advertising its strong points. To name a few, as I said, we are the first IMA Business Lab accredited school in Bombay. Nobody really knows about it. We were given the 8th best business school in Mumbai by Times Business School in 2024. 4th best business school by Fortune India. Then 99th best school in India, private among the private schools by India Today and Times Business School in 2024. So these certifications or these accreditations you do not get just like that. You have to, it's a very stringent process. They come and check your processes, the courses you're doing, the extra mile that you're traveling for the students, the kind of placements you're giving. We have not really spoken much about it. We do not advertise much about it, but I would like people to come here, see what we have, and see what we do for the students.
What do you see as the greatest strengths of JNBS Institute of Management?
The biggest strength here is the management. You see, the management is a very simple group of people, businessmen, who are very committed to giving education right since 1947. They have schools across Mumbai, they have law colleges, they have undergraduate colleges. Their undergraduate college recently got autonomy also. Their business school is among the best infrastructure schools business schools have in Bombay. And they are not very keen on pulling out money since they are all very good businessmen. So they are doing very well. In fact, they do pump in money into the college. So every penny that the institute takes in terms of fees is used for the betterment of the students. This is something which you don't see in most business schools.
Any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
I would like to tell them that be very cautious. Don't go for frivolous advertisements, big talks. See for yourself, visit the institutes, see what they are offering. A simple school will give you more in value. A very high-flying school is spending a lot of your fees on their infrastructure and the high-fly advertisements and not on you. Whereas a simple school with good infrastructure, if it is spending every penny that you pay in fees on you, then you're getting better value for money. Be very, very careful. Don't go for too long ads and very big infrastructure. Look for the best school. God bless you.
Ma'am, it was really great to meet you and to listen to your views on our interview series that is Thoughts on Education. I thank you on behalf of the College Dunia team and wish you all the very best for your future endeavors.
Thank you so much. God
Thank you.
bless.